Millie, just, you don't want to do one, right?
You don't want to make one?
Yeah, I do.
We're real hammers. This is a Santa's workshop. Look, there's Santa right there. Look, there's a Santa. He's making sure we're doing our work.
Paint's like crazy. Smells like paint crazy. Happy birthday. Want some bills? It's the Disney.
Oh, good idea. Huh?
This is so cool.
Okay, we gotta follow instructions.
You can't stop, y'all.
Millie. Amelia.
How do I open this thing?
All right, do you
So,
think you're going to be good enough to be one of Santa's elves?
Yeah.
let's see what we have to do.
Smells like paint.
Okay. Okay. So
Smells like paint
first,
everywhere.
first,
Why do I have paper?
we're gonna want to.
It's a sticker.
Oh,
All right.
oh, I found my
All right.
sticker.
Here we go.
Okay, Daddy, you have to help me.
Let's read the instructions. Assembly.
Big one.
Santa's letter.
Okay, gonna help me hit
Mailbox. All right. First, we gotta get this piece right here. So we got this piece. We gotta get 2 of these guys. Here we go. Let's put all of them
Start with this one just like that.
All right. So
There,
it says
okay, here.
nail them to this. Come on, let's make it straight, nice and straight. That's good.
Hit it again.
All right, put your nail in there. It's, yeah, use these little guys. Yeah, the little guys. This guy right here.
I have an idea.
Well, let's leave that one there. I'll fix it. Here. Tripod for it. Alright.
Ready? Here we go.
Let's do this one.
Start strong.
What's that?
There we go.
Okay. All right. The next
This
one
one, and I'm
is we need this right here. And we're gonna lay it
Okay, go for it.
on the back. You
strong.
are so strong.
Got it?
Yes.
Is it the small one?
Yeah.
No, that's a screw. We need it, yeah. One of these guys.
Do we have glue?
I don't have glue.
You need glue? You want me to get glue?
I got it. No, I need doing it.
Hold on, Millie.
I'm
Hold
gonna
on.
do it.
Here, Millie, wait a second.
Here, I'm trying to hand you the hammer.
No, my hammer's right here. My hammer's right here.
Wait a second.
You ready? We need to add some thin line.
Keep going. Keep
One
going.
more big one.
Oh gosh.
Good. You got it. All right, one more. Hold on, move your arm. Okay, that's good. There you go. Good. Alright, get you another one.
It's just spinning.
Okay, you don't want to strip it. You don't want to strip it.
There you go. Help me.
Good job, Millie. Good job, Millie.
Did you get thumbs up? Say good job, Millie. Thumbs up. Good job. Okay, ready to pour.
We get a reserve. Alright, we got it done. Almost lost a finger. But look how cute your box is.
He almost lost a finger.
Yeah, I almost lost a finger. Olivia almost took my finger with it. Alright, on to the next thing. Oh. Millie's
want her
eating
to
the
switch
sprinkles.
cookies? You want her to switch cookies here?
Millie.
But how many people are
Okay, we'll
Yummy.
spread with your tongue because you have
Sugar decorating at the zoo. Did you see Mrs. Claus? Mrs. Claus is over there. You see her? She's right there. You see her in her chair?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
And presents.
There's presents under the tree.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Like it?
Wait, hold on. Let me look at it.
what is it closing like 30 minutes?
Wow. The whole thing?
Okay, everybody eat your food. Go in the stroller.
Thanks for joining us on this trip to Santa's workshop. We had so much fun making toys, decorating sugar cookies, and soaking in the holiday cheer. Moments like these remind us of what the reason for the season's all about: family, joy, and a bit of Christmas magic. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video as we kind of stroll through more Christmas lights as we wrap up the evening. The kids were super tired by the time we got done with the evening, and it was a good night overall. So parents, I encourage you guys to take your families out, enjoy some scenery, go look at Christmas lights, or do something simple and enjoy
Millie's causing the brakes.
this time with your families.
Whoa, look at that. That's a big nutcracker.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next adventure.